Hello all. In previous videos we have discussed about training. In this video we are going to discuss about pruning. What is pruning? It refers to removal of plant part like bud, shoot, root, etc. to strike a balance between vegetative growth and production. This may also be done to adjust fruit load on the tree. Objectives. Objectives of pruning. Objectives of pruning: to control plant size and form, to plant performance like establishment of transplant where leaves, shoots are pruned to strike a balance between root and shoot so that plants lose less weight against restricted root system lost during lifting of plants. Improvement in productivity and quality by regulating the local of the crop and extend the flowering. For flower and fruit quality, elimination of non-productive vegetative growth like water, sprouts, suckers, dead and diseased woods. In case of forest trees, production of knock for timber. These are the 6 objectives of pruning. Next, types of pruning. We have 3 types of pruning with definite purposes. They are frame pruning, maintenance pruning, and renewal pruning. First of all, we are going to discuss about frame pruning. What is frame pruning? This pruning is done to provide shape and form to a plant in its formative years so the tree develops strong framework on a shape for ease of operation. This process begins from nursery itself and continues up to fruiting stage. This is done continuously irrespective of the seasons. This is called frame pruning. Next we are going to discuss second type of pruning, that is maintenance pruning. What is maintenance pruning? To maintain status in production level and for uniform performance, this pruning is done. In some plants like grapes, apple, pear, peach, etc., it is an annual feature on it. Others, evergreen like mango, sapota, it is rare confining to removal of water sprouts and unproductive growth and opening of the trees. And this is the maintenance pruning is a common pruning which is used in mainly in evergreen like mango and sapota. It is a rare confining to removal of water sprouts. So it is a rare confining. In this maintenance pruning, mainly grapes, apple, pear, peach, etc. are utilized or used more. Next, last but not least, is renewal pruning. What is renewal pruning? This pruning is done in old trees like mangoes which shows decline. If the mango tree is old, then those trees shows decline. So that situation, this pruning is used. This pruning is done in old trees like mangoes which shows decline, or when the shoots or branches which are considered undesirable or removed entirely from the base or point of attachment, it is called renewal or thinning out pruning. These renewal pruning are also called as thinning out pruning. I hope you understood that what is pruning, objectives of pruning and types of pruning. Thank you.